Walk, walk.
I don't know.
How's this for a cool passageway? This is the Gaudi house here in Barcelona where he lived until he died. Here's the Gaudi house. Walk around, I'll show you the house. So Gaudi is this famous architect designer in Barcelona. Show the house. Interesting designs. He actually didn't design this house, but he lived in it, and then he modified it. But this is one of his designs here. This is a structural element that was designed for the church that he designed. You can see it right here. It's the huge cathedral in Barcelona that he designed. And let's step back and have a look at the house. There you have it. And the sad thing was Gaudi died in 1926. Not of natural causes or disease. He was run over by a tram and was injured, and 3 days later he died. Anyhow, there you have it. Let's just have a little view of Barcelona before I end this video. We're up in the hills. Let's just walk through here and show you where we are. You get a sense. There we are. See? We're up in the hills, and that's downtown Barcelona right there.